I'm replacing the exhaust fan of the fan in my bathroom to limit the humidity, and it went out. Doesn't make any noise. So I looked up on Amazon. This is the information. Let me see which is the model number. That model number 678B. I looked it up, and this is the old one, and it comes with a regular plug-in. I'm gonna replace it with the new one that I purchased, which is over here. The link will be below. If you have the same one, I'll let you know. Well, at the end of the video, we'll know if it works or not. It looks like it. And nothing else in there. Let's put them side by side to see if there's any difference. The regular plug. And right now I have just the light hanging. I have to put the assembly back together once I get the motor mounted onto the frame. Yeah, I'll take them out with my fingers. Not a big deal. Okay. I think it was supposed to come with new screws. It's not in here. Oh, the screws are on there. Actually. Okay, comes right out. So, this is the, let me back out. It's the old one and the new one. Pretty much looks the same. Yeah. Physically, it looks identical. So, okay, put that to the side. Put this on. Gotta take out the screws that came with it. Fits perfectly. Okay, so it's physically fit. That's awesome. Just gonna hand tighten. So I ran the cable. I took it out again and ran it on the outside here. It seems to fit comfortable. goes in one way. All right, don't do what I just did. All right, find this slot here. There it is. Gotta find that slot right there to the right, and then put it in like that. Should fit in that way. So it's all set up and it's ready to go. This will sit, I'll put it in like this. This will be the facing the bathroom. This part will face down and this will face up. So the wire is running perfectly, not in the way in any way. And it'll go through these two this opening here, and the two wires will come out there, and then you just plug it in. All right, let's put it up. So now let's plug it in just to make sure it works. So I'll put in, you can see the regular plugs. Okay, perfectly. Awesome, it's working great. And it's quieter than I guess since the other one was faltering. Great. All right, let's mount everything back up. So this will be the end of the video. It's just a light underneath this. I don't think you need to see that. And it worked fine. So I hope this video helps. I hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.